In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate two sections in Card.co. Whether you're looking to create a seamless, easy-to-navigate site, or just want a clear path through your content, this guide will help you set up and manage your page sections effectively. To start off, we need to add page section dividers to organize our pages for a more structured layout. Head over to the top right corner of your card editor and find a small plus icon. Clicking this will let you add elements to your site. From the list that appears, select the Control option. Since I have already set up 3 pages on my site, I'll need to add 2 section controls to separate them adequately. These controls act as dividers, creating discrete areas for your content. Drag each section control to where it logically separates different parts of your content. Giving your audience a clear path to follow can significantly improve the user experience. Once your sections are in place, we want to rename these section controls so that they align with their corresponding sections. This will make it easier to identify and manage them later on. Next, it's time to add some buttons, as these are crucial for navigating between sections seamlessly. Return to the trusty plus button, select the button option, and start adding the buttons you'll need for your site. In this example, I'll add a total of 4 buttons. 2 on the main home page to allow navigation to our secondary pages, and 1 button on each of the individual sections that will lead visitors back to the home page. Arrange each button in its designated section to keep things tidy and logical. Now that all the buttons are in place, we need to give them meaningful names that reflect their function. This helps with navigation and makes it clear what users can expect when they click on them. After renaming, we'll tackle an important aspect, setting up the URLs. For buttons that lead from sections back to the home page, we will set their URL to my home. This will ensure that visitors are directed back to the starting point whenever they need to return. For buttons placed on the home page that navigate to other sections, we'll assign their URLs to correspond with the specific section names. For example, if a button is intended to transport a user to section 2, its URL should be #section02, and for section 3, it should be #section03. This makes your navigation intuitive and easy to follow. Finally, once everything is configured, go ahead and publish your site. It's always a good practice to test the navigation flow yourself to ensure everything works smoothly and as intended. By following these steps, you should now have a well-organized, user-friendly card site that makes navigation a breeze. Thank you for watching, and happy site building.